Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Myself, Miss Ocean Andrandis, teacher from St. Paul's School, Standard 2nd. My dear students, you might have seen the previous video. In that, we have learned about the English alphabets. So, my dear students, there are how many alphabets? There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Among these 26 letters, there are 5 letters. There are 5 special letters. These 5 special letters are known as vowels and other letters are known as consonants. Now, which are those 5 special letters? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are known as vowels. Now, my dear students, in this video, we will be doing the revision. In that, I will be giving you some questions and you people are going to answer them.
Now the first question is, write the words in alphabetical order. Now my dear student, look at the list of the words which I have given you. The first one is ice cream, second one ball, third one fan, fourth one mug, fifth word toy, sixth word cake, and seventh word duck. So these words which I have given you is not arranged according to alphabetical order. Now these words you're going to arrange according to alphabetical order. Now what you're going to do, you're going to see the first letter of each word and then you're going to arrange it according to the alphabetical order. Now in this I have given you only the question. Now answer you children are going to write. Now we will come to question number second. Circle the vowels. This is very easy. As I have explained you, there are 5 vowels. So you're going to see the word and you're going to circle the vowels. So the first one is T A N K, tank. From this, which are the vowels? You're going to circle the vowels. You're going to circle that letter. Second one, P O N D, pond. So you're going to circle the vowel. Third one, L A M P, lamp. So which are the vowels in this letter? You're going to circle that letter. Fourth one, L E G, lake. Fifth one, U G L Y, ugly. Sixth one, A double P L E, apple. And seventh one, T R A I N, train. Question number 3. Put this in alphabetical order. Now see the first one, my dear children. I have given you 3 words. First one is car, train and bus. Now see the first letter of each word, that is C, T and B. So which letter comes first? You're going to arrange and you're going to write that particular name first in according to the alphabetical order. Second one, red, yellow, green and black. So see the first letter of each word and arrange according to the alphabetical order. Third one, lion, tiger, fox and wolf. So look at the first letter and arrange according to the alphabetical order. Fourth one, book, magazine, comic and newspaper. So see the starting letter of each word and arrange according to the alphabetical order and write again. Fifth one, Canada, Spain, France and America. So look at the first letter and arrange according to alphabetical order. Sixth one, jog, jam, jet and jump. Now in this all the first starting letters are same. So now what you're going to do, you're going to see the second letter of each word. Now see the second letter, that is O, A, E and U. So whichever letter comes first, you're going to arrange according to the alphabetical order and you're going to write that particular that particular word. Seventh one, candy, cupcake, cookies, and chocolate. Now in this also the first letter are same, that is C. So same way you're going to do, you're going to see the second letter of each word. You're going to see the second letter of each word and you're going to write according to the alphabetical order. Eighth one, rise, rain, rest, and rock. Now in this also the first letters are same of each word. So what you're going to do, my dear children, you're going to see the second word, the second letter of each word, and you're going to write the answer. I hope each and everyone understood the lesson, the body movement. Now I have given you the question answer. Each and every child is going to copy down this question answer, and whatever activity I have given you as a homework, each and everyone is going to do this homework. And my dear students, each and everyone is going to learn the dictation words, the 10 dictation words which I have given you.